New Gemini CLI update is insane. Your terminal just got superpowers. I'm talking one command and your whole workflow changes. No more jumping between 10 different tools. This is the update that makes your CLI actually do everything, and it's already live with over 100 extensions ready to use. Alright, so let me show you what just dropped. Google just released this massive update to Gemini CLI, and honestly, it's kind of nuts. They added something called extensions, and before you click away thinking this is just another boring feature, hear me out, because this literally changes how you work in your terminal forever. So here's the deal. Extensions are basically tools that now live inside your Gemini CLI. We're talking about monday.com for your project boards, Postman for your API work, Figma for design stuff, databases, cloud tools, all of it right there in your terminal. No switching windows, no opening 15 different tabs, just one command line that does it all. And get this, there are already over 100 extensions in the official gallery. Like, they just launched this and the ecosystem is already packed. That's how big this is. People are building extensions left and right because they see how powerful this thing is. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let me give you a real example. The monday.com extension. You know how annoying it is to stop what you're doing, open monday.com, check your sprint board, update a task, then come back to your terminal. Yeah, that's over. Now you just type in Gemini CLI, show me my sprint summary, mark bug 123 is done. Add a comment to this issue. All of it happens right there. No context switch, no breaking your flow. You stay in the zone. And installing these extensions is literally one command. You type Gemini extensions, install, and then the GitHub URL or local path. That's it, done. The extension is live. You can start using it immediately. I'm talking 10 seconds from finding an extension to having it running in your CLI. But here's where it gets even better. You can manage all your extensions super easily. List them, update them, enable or disable them, uninstall them if you don't need them anymore. All with simple Gemini extensions commands. It's so clean, so simple. This is how developer tools should work. Now, let me tell you why this matters, and I mean really matters. Think about your typical workflow right now. You're in your terminal coding. Then you need to check your API in Postman. So you Alt-Tab, open Postman, run your tests, go back to terminal. Then you need to update a task in your project management tool, another switch. Then you need to check your database, another tool, another context switch. Your brain is bouncing around like crazy. All of that is gone now. Everything happens in one place. Your terminal becomes this central hub where all your tools live. You're faster, you're more focused, you're not wasting mental energy switching contexts every 2 minutes. This is what modern development should look like. And if you want to scale your business and save hundreds of hours with AI automation like this Gemini CLI update, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to use tools like Gemini CLI to automate your workflow, get more customers, and actually build systems that work. The link is in the description. Join us and let's build something incredible together. So back to it. Let me show you a few more extensions that are absolutely fire. Postman extension. If you work with APIs, you already know Postman. Now imagine running all your API tests right from your CLI. No opening the app, no clicking through menus. Just type what you want to test and boom, results right there. Figma extension. This one blew my mind. You can pull design specs, check components, even push updates to your design files, all from your terminal. Designers and developers working in the same space, no more back and forth, no more screenshots, just direct integration, database extensions, Elastic, MySQL, PostgreSQL, whatever you use. Query your databases, check your data, run analytics, all in the CLI. And because it's integrated with Gemini, you can use natural language. You don't even need to remember exact query syntax. Just ask for what you want. The gallery has extensions for basically everything: cloud tools, CI/CD pipelines, code review tools, project management, design, data, security, testing. If there's a tool developers use, someone probably built an extension for it. And if they didn't, you can build your own. I'll tell you about that in a second. Let me explain how this actually works under the hood, because it's pretty smart. Each extension is a self-contained package. It includes something called an MCP server, playbooks, commands, and context. Basically everything the extension needs to work with your tools and with Gemini CLI. And here's the cool part. This update also added smart model routing. That means Gemini CLI automatically picks the best AI model for whatever you're doing. You don't have to think about it. It just uses the right model. Fast responses when you need speed, more powerful models when you need deep analysis, all automatic. They also built in something called a code base investigator. It's like a sub-agent that helps you understand and navigate your code. So not only do you have all these tool extensions, you also have better AI helping you work with your actual code base. This whole update is stacked. Now, let me tell you exactly how to get started with this. First, if you don't have Gemini CLI yet, you need to install it. Super easy, just check the docs. Second, go to the extensions gallery. It's at geminicli.com/extensions. Browse through all the extensions, find the ones that fit your workflow. Third, install them, copy the install command, paste it in your terminal, hit enter, done. Then you just use them. Ask Gemini CLI to do things with your tools, update tasks, run API tests, query databases, whatever you installed, it all just works. And if you want to update all your extensions at once, you just run Gemini extensions, update -- all, everything stays current, everything stays working. One thing to keep in mind, extensions can change how Gemini CLI behaves. So before you install something, check the source, make sure you trust it. This is just good practice with any tool that integrates into your workflow. But the official gallery is curated. Most of the stuff there is solid. Here's a pro tip that most people won't tell you. You can build your own extensions. Seriously, if your team uses a tool and nobody made an extension for it yet, you can make one. There's a template command. Gemini extensions new, then your extension name, then custom commands. It sets up the whole structure for you. Then you just fill in the details for your specific tool. This is huge because it means you're not limited to what other people built. You can customize your entire CLI experience, make it work exactly how you want, build extensions for internal tools, for proprietary systems, for weird niche stuff nobody else uses. The platform is completely open. Think about what this means for teams. Everyone can have the same extensions installed, same workflow, same commands. No more onboarding where you have to teach people 10 different tools. They just install your team's extension pack and they're ready to go. Everything they need is right there in the CLI. So let me recap what we just covered. Gemini CLI just got a massive update. Extensions are now live. Over 100 extensions already available. You can install them with one command. They bring your favorite tools right into your terminal. No more context switching, no more breaking your flow. Everything happens in one place. You've got project management tools like Monday.com, API tools like Postman, design tools like Figma, databases, cloud platforms, pretty much everything you need. And if something's missing, you can build it yourself. The platform is completely open. Go check out the extensions gallery at geminicli.com/extensions. Browse around, find the tools you use every day, install the extensions, start using them, see how much faster your workflow becomes. And here's my question for you. Which extension would you install first? Are you going straight for the project management tools, the API testing, the database stuff? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about using AI to scale your business, automate your processes, and get more customers, you absolutely need to join my AI Profit Boardroom. We dive deep into tools like Gemini CLI, show you how to implement them in your workflow, and help you build systems. The link is in the description. Come join us and let's level up your business together. If this video helped you understand this insane update, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.